Weekend start on Thursday. We've got the whole family here. Myself, Ronnie, we've got Bill and Greg from Journeyman Distillery. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, gentlemen, and Ronnie. Walk us through. You guys always bring such fun goodies every Thursday. What'd you bring today here, Bill, from Journeyman Distillery? The reigning craft distillery of the year, might I add.
Correct. Thanks, Justin. Thanks, Ronnie, for having us. A couple of new products coming out here on Memorial Weekend, so we wanted to have a chance to have you guys taste some.
Yes.
If it's only, it's 9 a.m., so that's fine.
It's like back when college tailgating,
exactly.
for a noon game.
So we've got our a new release this year. So OCG has been our most awarded and best-selling product, and that was just the pure apple version. So we decided for summer we needed something to kind of enhance it, and so this year we're adding cherries to it, and we have our Cherry OCG. I can bust one open here.
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's go ahead.
Ronnie likes flavorful things, as do I.
I love sweet.
Yes.
So you'll see a wonderful red hue to this. So this is our apples, our cider, our Journeyman Rye Whiskey, and then we add Montmorency cherries to this. So it's an all-natural, all-Michigan product. Here.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay,
And
look at that.
Bill, you get involved too. Let's do a cheers.
Let's cheers.
Thanks for having us.
Absolutely. Things are getting better. So that's
that's real
it's
smooth.
pure Michigan.
That's real smooth. It's like juice.
It's Michigan in a bottle. So it's apples and cherries, and it's, our lead distiller said it's crushable. So I don't know what you guys feel
Reminds me
about
of a
that.
Starburst. I don't know.
Like the red one?
Yeah, it
the
tastes
red
like a cherry
Star-
Starburst.
Yeah.
How busy have you guys been? I feel like this is your Super Bowl year. It's like graduation, prom, Mother's Day, Father's Day is coming up, Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah, I'll say, and we just opened our Valpo location. So in Valparaiso, it's been incredible. The outpouring of support has been amazing. I think probably on our end, truly excited about the summer. So we have some amazing things happening in Valpo with the outdoor space. And then brought Greg along today, too, to talk about our brewery that's going to be opening here in about 3 or 4 weeks. So,
Greg, what do you have for us?
Yeah, just first Journeyman beer operation, which is very exciting.
Let's go.
Yeah, super glad to be part of such an amazing organization. Just bringing some of the flavors that, you're talking about pure Michigan and Cherry OCG in a jar. We're trying to bring pure Indiana and Michigan in a glass. So a lot of local ingredients, very fresh ingredients, some unusual twists and turns on some kind of classic beer styles and old favorites. Just kind of trying to bring the community together around this new brewing operation. So,
How long have you been a brewmaster?
I've been making beer for about 10 years.
10 years.
Some of that was amateur, I will say.
Experimental stuff,
home brewing, that kind of thing. But I'm an Indiana native. Just came up here from North Carolina, where I've been brewing for the past 8 or so years.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. So what would you say is your favorite beer if you had to choose?
I'm a big pale ale guy, which I'm in good company here because there are a lot of great pale ales in Indiana, especially. I like all kinds of stuff. I mean, when you're a brewer, you kind of have to.
Right. Yeah, you have to. Something
I just love really drinkable hoppy beers, so that's the kind of stuff we'll be doing a lot of as well.
What's a good summer beer if we're on our porch for Memorial Day weekend? What's something good to pop up while we're grilling a burger?
I've been drinking that Cold Time by Revolution a lot. Just a delicious, crisp lager. I kind of tried to discover my drinking beer when I got up here. When I moved up here a couple months ago, and that one has been hitting the spot. So we have that on tap at our bar too, actually. So until we get our own beer on tap.
And I know you're looking to hire, Bill. I mean, it's the summer. High school, college students coming home. They're looking for a summer job. How important is it to try and get a job in the service industry?
Well, right now, both in our Three Oaks and our Valparaiso location, we are hiring for summer. Great entry-level jobs. I've always said, look, if you've never worked in hospitality, you have to do it.
Sure.
It's almost like one of the greatest jobs as a kid you can have. You learn the hospitality industry and you learn about people. So journeyman.com/careers is where you want to go for that. And 2 wonderful places to work. We're located in historic factory buildings. There's amazing history. We have amazing people working there. We just need more.
how important is service? It's not just about the drinks and the food, but people want good service when they eat at a restaurant.
Yeah, I think service is everything. I'll go to a restaurant even if the food is average or the drinks are average, but the service is great. I love it. There's just something about a place where the people know you and you have that amazing hospitality experience.
Ronnie, anything else for Bill and Greg?
Yeah, do we have any future events that's coming up?
We do. Actually, there's an event in Valpo called Dirty Boots. It's going to be a country, music-focused, line dancing.
We might have to come out for that.
And, it's something new for us. I think that's what people like about Journeyman is we're always being innovative. And I think you'll also see some of that innovation with the collaboration of Journeyman and Sea of Monsters, where Greg is going to use some of our Journeyman whiskey barrels and collaborating on the brew side to make some really amazing barrel-aged beers for the colder months as well.
Yeah.
Bill, Greg, we thank you so much.
Yeah,
Our
thank you
weekend's off
both.
to a great start with these drinks.
Yeah, come out and see us. We've got the OCG and our Kissing Cousins release is also Memorial Weekend, so we have some cool products for y'all.
The reigning craft distillery of the year.
Thank you.
Make it 2 times in a
Thank
row.
you both for
Thank you
joining
so much.
us. Thank you.
Yeah.
For more details on Journeyman Distillery, check out your screen. You can visit their website at journeyman.com. They've got 2 locations, one in Valparaiso and one in Three Oaks. And visit them on Instagram and Facebook.